Did you know you could grow your own headache relief in your backyard? Yes, Mother Nature has kindly provided us with a variety of herbs that not only add flavor to our dishes, but can also alleviate that pesky tension in your head. First on our list is Feverfew. This little plant with its daisy-like flowers is a powerful headache combatant. It's been known to reduce inflammation and tension, making it an ideal choice for migraine sufferers. To grow Feverfew, find it a sunny spot in your garden and water it regularly. It's a hardy plant that will reward your care with its beneficial properties. Next up we have butterbur. This herb was used by the ancient Greeks to treat a range of ailments, including headaches. It's believed to control the severity and frequency of migraines. Butterbur prefers damp, marshy conditions, so consider planting it near a pond or in a part of your garden that doesn't drain well. Then there's ginger. Many of us know ginger as a digestive aid, but it's also a potent tool against headaches. It helps reduce inflammation and pain. Plant your ginger rhizomes in warm, humid conditions and watch them flourish. Willow bark, often referred to as nature's aspirin, is another herb to consider. Its active ingredient, salicin, is converted into salicylic acid in the body, which helps to ease pain and inflammation. Willow trees like lots of water and sunshine, so keep that in mind when planting. Next we have ginkgo biloba, a plant with a history stretching back millions of years. It's thought to improve blood flow to the brain, easing headache symptoms. Ginkgo likes well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. Valerian root is another ancient herb used for centuries to treat insomnia and anxiety, which can often be triggers for headaches. It thrives in sun or partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. Peppermint tea, with its refreshing aroma, is a popular choice for headache relief. It helps to relax muscles and increase blood flow. Peppermint is a vigorous grower, so consider containing it in a pot. Lavender tea, known for its soothing scent, can also be used to relieve headaches, especially those related to stress. Lavender loves hot, sunny locations and well-drained soil. Rosemary, another culinary favorite, has been shown to reduce inflammation and boost circulation, making it an effective headache remedy. Rosemary is a Mediterranean herb, so it loves the sun and well-drained soil. Last but not least, chamomile tea is renowned for its calming properties and is often used to treat tension headaches and migraines. Chamomile loves full sun and will bloom all summer long. So, next time a headache strikes, remember your garden might just hold the remedy you're searching for. With these 10 herbs, you can cultivate a beautiful, aromatic garden that's also your own personal pharmacy. Happy gardening!